What's up? Welcome back to
Sticky Teacher.
In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pronounce one of my favorite Vietnamese words, CHÁN. You can say this word like a native, regardless of your IQ. Let me break the word down into 3 parts. The consonant CH sounds like ja in English. Easy peasy. Ja, 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 ja. The second part is ang, like bang, bang, bang in English. Ang, 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 ang. The last part is the tone, which is the tricky one. Go flat with a neutral tone, then raise your voice high at the very end. CHÁN, 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 CHÁN. If you are saying CHÁN, you're wrong. CHÁN, 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 CHÁN. It should be CHÁN, 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 CHÁN. CHÁN, 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 CHÁN. Last thing, can you guess what this word means? Show me your answer in the comment. But let me give you some clues. Canada, office, winter, touching, accounting, feeling.